I gave you my love. I tell you what I do. I expect a whole lot of love out of you. You got to be good to me.
What?
I'm gonna be good to you.
Show music. Why don't you put your feet up?
Howie.
No. You need to relax. Come on. Come on. See? You're all knotted up.
About the way you love me.
Yeah. Well,
Just forget about Debbie. Alright? Forget about whatever else is bugging you.
Beautiful. When you get right down to it. Oh.
I see what this is. Dimming the lights.
What? I can't massage my wife?
You are seducing me. Plying me with liquor.
It worked in college.
When you need me.
Okay. Romeo, that's enough.
Where are you going?
I'm sorry. I just had a really weird day and I just feel really antsy and I need to go to bed.
Right.
So what, you're gonna pout now?
Jesus. It's been 8 months.
By who's counting?
I am.
Gosh, Howie, I'm just not ready, okay? Like, I'm sorry if that seems abnormal to you.
No, it doesn't. It's... I know.
What is the problem then?
We're not gonna suddenly wake up one day and be ready.
Yeah, I know that.
So, we need to start at least heading in that direction. Which might feel strange at first, but...
No, but you want to have sex.
Don't say it like that. You make me sound selfish.
You're trying to rope me into having sex.
I'm not roping you into anything.
Al Green isn't roping?
No.
Al Green?
I thought it was nice, alright? That's all. I was just trying to make things nice.
Well, I'm sorry, okay? Because things aren't nice anymore.